Here today we're gonna share something very important if you have a YouTube channel. So I believe this is something which gonna help you. There is a tool called vidIQ. When you go to Google and say google.com, this gonna be vidIQ. Okay, vidIQ for YouTube. So this tool is very good because it's gonna show you all your competitors, your performance, what you have to touch, what you're not supposed to touch, and it's really gonna help you in growing your channel. So if you're using Firefox or you're using Chrome, it's easier to log into to download the extension. Then it's gonna be embedded in your browser. Then you start using vidIQ. It's a loss if you're not using it, because it's free, though there is a premium version. So if you own a YouTube channel, do that 100%. It's gonna help you. Let's go that and say extension. When you click there, it's gonna say install Firefox. Okay, let's see, and say add to Firefox. If you have Chrome, it's gonna be the same thing. Okay, I'm adding to Firefox. vidIQ is a very good tool. So how to install vidIQ for YouTube by vidIQ. So this is a tool from vidIQ with these insights and metrics that go beyond the YouTube analytics. vidIQ Vision delivers a comprehensive optimization report card for any YouTube video via your Firefox browser. Okay, we add it there, say yes, we cool, and once we in there, so we say allow the extension to do that. So activate tells us thanks for installing vidIQ and all that. If it tells us to activate, let's click. There's something going wrong with my thanks for installing vidIQ Firefox. To help us continue improve your products, our products for our users, we would like to collect data about the features you find most useful, along with other information such as when you log in or out, install, uninstall, and use specific features, technical and device data from your browser, including location as indicated by IP addresses and date and time of use, language preference, and operating system. This data helps us to improve our product and build a better experience for our customers. Okay, when I click it doesn't work. I don't know why, but anyway, I'm gonna go to YouTube again. I skip that and I see if it's installed. Gives me this. Let me say activate. Once I say activate, that works. Let me see. Okay, I can see TubeBuddy here. I want to see vidIQ. Let me refresh. Sometimes it requests you go to your email and do what, and accept, or what you do is you're going to go to your emails and see if there's any email. I'm trying to go on my email using my phone here. Let me see. At times you might also need to do what, to close Firefox. I'm still checking. Thanks for muting tongue. Indeed, Cora, I don't have any email here, but I should see it's here. You can see here up. It was my fault, I didn't see it, guys. Let me click on vidIQ. You can see it tells you to log in, sign in with Google. If you sign in with Google, it's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna sign in, then I'm gonna come back. After that, we back, guys, and what's gonna happen here, you're gonna click on your channel, and what you go to any let me go here. I'll go back here. It's a little bit slow, but it's gonna work for us. Okay, then you go to YouTube Studio. You go to your YouTube Studio. Let's give it a chance, and you can see we can click on any video. I want to click on some of the videos here. I'm gonna look for this video. I'm gonna click on this video and click on this video again. Once I'm here, this video has 93 likes, 48 dislikes. Almost half of it people don't like it, and half they like it. So we have to see vidIQ in action. Let's wait for the download of the video. You can see it here. So once I click on vidIQ, it's gonna show me all the analytics and stuff and things I have to improve on. You can see social media average. You can see, let me see, it says its average is not good. It's not that good. Like 66 ratio, like 66%, 93% YouTube likes, 48% YouTube dislikes. You can see all of this. What causes this? Maybe your people don't like your content. Some likes it. FB 26 likes. You can see it gives me a lot of analytics. I have to connect to get more FB stats. Okay, you see it gives me a lot of things here, and if you upgrade you see a lot of things also. You get me? So now you have to know also it shows your competitors, a lot of things. So whatever I want to tell you is 39.1 out of 100% video SEO score. You get me? So that simply means my videos needs a lot of what? SEO. So simply means if I did not install vidIQ, I was not going to know about my SEO that is bad. You get me? Keyword 5 out of 5 in description. Triple keywords 0 out of 5. You see, that's bad. You have to improve here. Performance 25 out of 50. What does that mean? Ranked, you can be ranked what? Tags 5 of 5. As high volume ranks tags, it's gonna be 0 out of 5. You understand? So there's a lot of things I haven't done, and they are really necessary to be done. Tag account. Tags help you YouTube understand the purpose of videos, to stay to videos so they appear in relevant search results. Adding at least 20 tags to a video gets full points here. You get me? So you get me? They talk about tags. They say add about 20. I'll show you the tags, but some things are beyond the scope of this tutorial. So I was showing you some simple samples here. Description says this is number of words derived from this video. Description, this is not a YouTube analytics matrix, but one generated from vidIQ. Understand? Okay, here, okay, 1 out of 20 creator suggested the number of videos in the up next section. 1 out of 20 videos, one of my out of 20 videos, only one is suggested. You get me? In my YouTube on my YouTube channel. That's why we emphasize make a lot of videos. So if it's 1 out of 20, if I have 100 videos, it means 5 videos gonna be suggested, 200, 10 videos, 300. How much? 300 is gonna be 30 videos, 550 videos, 1000, 100 videos gonna be suggested. You understand? So that's why we tell you that please make as many videos as you can, but don't forget quality. So title, they say is bad, too short. Okay, you understand here? Now we're gonna learn from vidIQ that our title is a little bit shorter. What does that mean? It means we need a title which is a little bit longer. They say here too short. What is too short? Short title should be between 20 and 60 characters. You get me? That's when they say it's too short, monetization enabled. But then cancel. I don't know why. This, it says, it gives me a lot of things you have to learn from this. Now vidIQ is showing us things which are okay. Learn, earn money from YouTube channel. See all the ways you can earn money for what you love to do. You get me? Video advertising. Advertising can run ads on your YouTube, that videos on your videos that follow your advertiser friendly guidelines. You get me? See, membership. You get me? I don't have membership, I don't have supers. You get me? YouTube partnership program is the one which is active. Agreement, leave your YouTube partnership program once you leave the, understand? So they talk about this. I have to do advertisement. So see more, see more, see more. You get me? So once you use tools like these, you can make money, because even here they're helping us to tell us that no, you're not making a lot of money because you are not good at doing ABC. You understand? So I have to do ABC. If I didn't do it, so simply means things are not that good. You understand? So they tell you about the end screen here. I didn't do the end screen. They tell you about closed captions. It's not there. Reply to a recent comment. No. You understand? So if you don't reply to the recent comment, it's very, very, very bad, because YouTube expects you to talk to people, to help them. Then you can see this guy. I'm supposed to reply to this guy. I'm supposed to reply this guy. You see, like your comment and whatever. I'm supposed to reply to each and every person. That's why this vidIQ is telling you all your flops. So you have to improve. Channel 1.7 daily views. You get me? They say I get only 700 views and 52k 14. You get me? Whatever views last 30 days. 100 wow subscribers, which is 11%, which is good. They say the green here, daily average subs 3.4, which is good also. 2. Subscribers rank. You get me? I'm sitting on 2 million something. 6 million view rank. You understand? So I'm in 6 million. So if it goes down, it simply means it's gonna do what? It's gonna, in case someone who's in 5 million is better than my position. Somebody who's in 1 million is better than one position. It's like in class. So but here, out of what? We have a lot of YouTubers, so I'm not performing well there. So this tool helps me to, it's gonna help us to do a lot of things. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please get this. It's gonna help you to see what you haven't done, what you should do, and what you have done. So vidIQ is the way for you to improve your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.